Okay, so what I'd like to show you today is this. It's the pedals that I'm currently running. They're MKS Compact quick release pedals. The reason I'm running these is twofold. One is that they are slightly lighter than the Brompton pedals, but the main reason is that the quick release facility that's on them, rather than a folding pedal as you have with the Brompton. These both release quickly. Now for me, as I know I sort of go on about in several of my videos, I take the Brompton on planes. I like to take it away with me, and because you've got a limit to the amount that you can carry there, anything I can sort of strip down on the Brompton weight wise means I can carry more with it. So yeah, we do save a little bit of weight. Also, for going through an airport, I think I've never been questioned on the Brompton. I never pay the extra fee for carrying a bike. I fold the Brompton, obviously put it in a bag, and then just take it on as luggage. If I ever was questioned, I think the fact that if these are removed and there are no pedals on the bike, might just make it a little bit easier to get it through without having to pay that fee. I don't know, but that's the theory. So the MKS Compact pedal, now they're super grippy. They're not grippy like a flat pedal for mountain biking as such, but they're at least as good as the standard Brompton pedal. I would say probably a little bit better, and they do save you some weight. A pair of Brompton pedals I know comes in at 402 grams. This system comes in at, you've got the pedal, the quick release, and this little plastic little bit of plastic. I'll show you what that is when I fit it. And that's coming in at 150 grams. So both of these are the same. Obviously the Brompton pedals are different, so the weights are different, but a pair of Brompton pedals comes in at 402 grams. They're 150 grams each, so you're 300 grams for the pair, so obviously you're saving 112 grams. I looked just before I did this, and you can get these currently at £90. I've seen them advertised at online for a pair. So again, on the rule of thumb of a £1 per gram saved in weight, it's a good weight saving for a reasonable price, but you're also getting, I think, a better pedal than the standard Brompton pedals. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you quickly for anyone that's interested looking at further. I'll show you how this fits onto the bike. I'll fit it onto the bike and show you how the quick release mechanism works. It is very good, very simple. As I say, I've had these on over a year now, and they've been totally reliable. Never had an issue with them. So I'll show you that now. Okay, so installing is pretty straightforward. We start with the quick release. A little bit fiddly just to get him started, but once he's started, away we go. Just get him hand tight there. That's all we need. Now the pedal, then on the quick release there's a sleeve there. You can see that just drops back. Push the pedal in and pull that forward, and that's the pedal securely on there. To remove it, just the opposite, drop that back, the pedal slots out nice and easy. Drop the bike, and then it goes. Now I bought this bike with these pedals already fitted. It was second hand, and I ran it for about 10 months, never had an issue, never had a problem. And then I was reading something online and read about these that the pedal comes with. All that is a little collar that slops on at the back there, and when that's on, it stops this sleeve then from coming back, so the pedal can't actually accidentally be released. Now, as I say, I was running it for 10 months and never had an issue. I've put that on there as sort of a belts and braces, just to be on the safe side. But yeah, that's that. And you see that slots back off pretty easy. So that's the MKS quick release folding pedal. There's several versions. This is the Compact. I've found it great. It's lightweight, it's grippy, and it's easy to pop it off there. The bike's even, the profile of the bike at that as well is obviously slightly better than with the Brompton with the folding pedal down. You've got a little bit less, takes up a little bit less room as well if you're squeezing it in a tight spot. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find that useful. I've got other videos on showing how to save some weight on your Brompton and different mods and such, and more coming up shortly. If you enjoyed that, please give us a thumb up and please consider subscribing. Thanks till next time.